Hey all, this is Anupama and welcome back, and I hope you're all doing good. So in today's video, let's see the making of this beautiful cow head and this cute little bird which are made out of waste plastic bottles. So let's get started. So for the first DIY, I'm using this empty hand wash bottle. Just mark the line and cut it across the line, and then I'll be using this top portion, put the cap, and now make a hole on the top. So that we'll be using it later to hang this. And now cover the top portion with the clay, so that this will be the head portion for the bird. Just shape it accordingly. You can always soften the surface using talcum powder. Make a small beak. So here I'm using fevicryl mouldit. You can even use any other air dry clay. Now just make the feathers. For that I'm rolling down the clay in the oval shape and cut it into two equal halves. And just using the bottom part to cut the feathers. Now take the bottle and apply a little bit of glue on the sides and then stick this, so that we'll be getting a half feather. Do it for the other side as well. And if you guys are new to my channel and if you are watching this for the first time, please do watch my earlier videos as well, and if you find those helpful, please do consider subscribing. Now again take some more clay and roll it in a cone shape and then stick it on the back, so that this will be the tail for the bird. Shape it accordingly. And now using a toothpick or any sharp object, just make a hole on the top. As we already made hole on the cap, this will be easy to make hole. So this is the reason first I had made hole on the cap. Now take some more clay and just roll it in a cylindrical shape and make hole using toothpick. So make sure that the hole is big so that it will be easy to pass the thread later. Now take some more clay and make it in the form of a leaf. Give impressions. And make few more beads using clay. And then allow it to dry completely. Now our bird is completely dried. Now let's start coloring it. For that I have taken a little bit of plaster of Paris. In that I am mixing this yellow color. And now just paint it over. If you don't have plaster of Paris, even you can use talcum powder. So this is how it looks once it gets dried. And now color the beads. For this I am applying black acrylic paint. Now color the feathers. For this also I am applying black. Then the tail. And now I'll be covering a bit of head portion using black. And for the beak I am using this red color. And now I'll be using this 3D white outliner to draw some design on the feathers. And now for the head portion, I am applying few dots to make it simple. And for the neck portion, I'll be using this black outliner. And on top of it, I'll be again using this 3D white outliner. And now paint the eye. And for these beads, I'll be using this sponge dabber to apply metallic gold. Now take any thread, join the two ends, and to make it stiff, I'm applying a little bit of glue so that it will be stiff and it can easily pass through the holes. First pass it through the leaf, then place few knots. And then I'll be inserting these bells so that they act as wind chime. Again, to lock the beads, place few more knots. Then again place beads inside and then again place knots so that they will be secure in that position. Then finally insert the bird. And now finally at the end of the thread, make a knot to form loop so that we can hang this. So finally our bird hanging is ready and this is how it looks. It's looking very cute, right? So this is very easy to do, so please give it a try. Most of you will have these type of empty bottles at your house, so that you can give it a try. So now let's move on to the second DIY, that is making of this bull head. For this I am using this empty nail polish remover bottle, and again I will be using this fevicryl moulded clay. You just need to mix two compounds and you will be getting something like this. And this is the condition of my hands after mixing the clay. Now start sticking the clay over the top of the bottle. So the shape of this bottle is perfect to make a cow head. So whoever is having this bottle, you can give it a try. You can always soften the surface by applying a little bit of talcum powder to make the surface soft. Just give it a shape. Gently press it to get that shape. Now just roll some clay and then make a circle. And then I'll be sticking this on the top of the head so that this will be giving support to the horns, which will be sticking later. Now let's start making the horn. For that you need to roll some clay in the form of a cone shape, and then I'll be inserting this toothpick to give that support to the clay till it gets dried. Now I'll be sticking this on the top until the clay gets dried. Just I'll be placing support so that it doesn't bend. Stick the other horn and then give support to that until it gets dried. Now draw two ears on the cardboard and then cut them using cutter and you'll be getting something like this. Now take some more clay and then cover the cardboard with the clay so that you'll be getting ears. Now stick some clay where we need to place the ear so that it will be giving support. Now gently give it a press and shape it out and then give support till it gets dried. Do it for the other side as well. And now let it dry completely. So once it gets dry, this is how it looks. Now start coloring this. Now as a base coat, I am applying this white acrylic paint. And on top of it, I am applying this bright red color. And for the ears and horns, I'll be applying maroon. So for the ears, I'm applying maroon. As well as I'll be applying maroon for the mouth portion as well. And now to decorate this, I'm using this 3D white outliner. So you can decorate it as you like. So to make it simple, I am using this design. I'll be using the same design on the ears as well. And now I'll be decorating the mouth portion as well. And if you guys are following me from the past, I had made the similar kind of head using honey bottle. So if you want to check it out, I'll be dropping down the link in the description box. So please have a look. Now let's decorate the horns. I'll be using the similar pattern. Now let's draw the eyes. So first I thought of making only the head portion. So later I thought that let's give it a little bit of change. So for that I want to include the neck portion. So I'll be using this old diya. I'll be sticking this head portion on the diya like this using clay. And for the base, I am using this MDF coaster, and then I'll be placing this diya on the coaster, and then again I'll be sticking this using clay. Now let's start decorating the neck portion. For this, I'm sticking clay around it to form the chain for the cow. Now make few more balls like this. And then I'll be sticking this for the chain in the form of bells. Usually cows will have that bell chains, right? So I want to make it. And now using the craft knife, give a cut at the center portion so that you will be getting something like this. And now I'll be applying red acrylic paint on the top to match it with the head portion. And for the chain, I'm using this black. Then let it dry. And to get that brass look, I'll be applying this wax over the black so that we'll be getting that antique look. So if you guys don't have this metallic wax, you can use metallic gold acrylic paint. And now to hang this to wall, I had stick a rope using strong glue, that is Fevibond, and on top of it I had stick paper tape. So this is our cow head. This is finally how it looks. It's looking so beautiful, right? And it gives an aesthetic look to your wall. So that's it for today, guys. I hope you guys also enjoyed today's video, and please give it a thumbs up if you like this video, and please do consider subscribing, and please let me know which one you like the most in the comment section below. See you guys in the next video. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.